EDO 2020. Obaseki don carry word-to-word campaign go Uhunmwonde local government area. He tell the electorates to defend their votes. Edo State Governor and candidate of People's Democratic Party (PDP) Godwin Obaseki don carry him re-election campaign waka go Uhunmwonde local government area for Edo State. As he carry waka go meet all the enoges wey dey for the local government area to go seek for their blessings and support before the September 19, 2020 governorship election wey dey waka come so for the state. Governor Obaseki wey lead him deputy and running mate Right Honourable Philip Shaibu and other ogbonge members of Edo PDP campaign council go the local government area on Monday 31st August 2020 to go continue him word-to-word campaign rally for Edo South Senatorial District. Come tell the voters say make all of them come out for September 19, 2020 to vote for PDP. And after them don vote finish, make them stand gidigba for their polling units, make them fit make sure say them count their votes for their presence, as this one means say that they defend their votes. Make una sabi say this campaign waka so na im mark the flag off of the word-to-word campaign for Uhunmwonde local government area. This one na the sharp informate wey don carry come give una on top inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don carry campaign waka enter Uhunmwonde local government area for Edo State as part of im re-election campaign wey im don dey do for Edo South. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Edoleye.